In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix in 2026. Complete Wix tutorial for beginners. First, open your browser and head to wix.com. This is where everything starts. On the home page, look for the Log In button. If you're new to Wix, you'll be guided to create an account, but if you already have one, sign in. A quick way to get started is to choose Continue with Google. It's fast and secure, and you won't have to remember another password. As always, keep your login details private and don't share them on screen. Once you're in your account, go to your Sites area and choose Create New Site. This begins the setup flow for your website. You'll see options to tailor the experience to what you're building, and you can follow the prompts at your own pace. Next, you'll be offered two setup paths: Start Chat or Setup without chat. The chat option uses Wix's assistant to ask a few questions and generate a tailored starting point. If you want speed and more manual control, choose the setup without chat. Either way works. It just depends on how guided you want the process to be. After the site is created, return to your sites list and select Select and Edit Site to open your project. Before jumping into full design, take a moment to explore Quick Actions, or the main navigation at the top of the dashboard. These shortcuts lead to helpful areas like Settings, Apps, and Marketing Tools, which you'll likely use as your site grows. When you're ready to design, click Edit Site. This opens the Wix Editor. Here, you'll click on the highlighted areas on the page to customize them. Each time you click an element, a panel appears with options for content, design, and layout. Replace placeholder text with your own copy, swap images by uploading your files, and adjust buttons, galleries, and sections to fit your brand. Drag and drop elements to reorder them, and use alignment guides to keep everything tidy. If you see additional highlighted regions, click through them one by one to fine-tune colors, fonts, and spacing. Remember to check how things look on mobile using the Mobile View toggle so your site is clean on every device. When your design looks good, click Publish. This makes your site live so others can see it. After that, choose View Site to open the public version. You'll get a free Wix web address right away, and you can connect a custom domain later if you want a branded URL. Finally, click through the highlighted areas on your live site to test navigation, links, and buttons. If anything needs polishing, return to the editor, make changes,